Hi, in this video we'll show you how to request and manage manual time log in Teamtrics. Sometimes, employees may need to log time manually, for example, when they forget to start the tracker. Don't worry, Teamtrics allows manual time entries, and all manual requests go through approval by your reporting manager. To add time manually, navigate to the Timelog page from the sidebar. Under Staff Report, expand the timesheet list. Click the action icon, 3 dots, and select Timelog Details. At the bottom of the pop-up, click Add Time Manually. Fill in the required details. Start with the start date and time. Input the end date and time. Select the project, the task you worked on, and lastly, input your reason. Now, click Submit. Your request has now been submitted to your reporting manager. You can also edit or delete your submitted request using this action button. If you click Edit, you'll be able to modify the details in the form. Close the pop-up, and you'll return to the Timelog table view. Here, you'll see an information icon in the row of the request you just submitted. This indicates that the manual time log is waiting for approval. For manager roles, here's how to review manual time requests. Go to the Timelog page from the sidebar. In the staff report, expand the timesheet list for the date when the employee made the request. Look for entries with the information icon. That means the manual time is pending approval. Click the action icon, then select Timelog Details. Here, you can view the manual time log details of the employee's request. Go to the 3 dots icon again, then choose Change Status. Approve or reject the manual time as needed. Once you approve, you'll see their manual time log entry recorded here. Refresh the page, and you'll find the request entry that was just approved. That's how you, as a manager, can manage manual time log requests in Teamtrics.